Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on streaming with Netflix, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current streaming needs. Identify the shows and movies you actually watch on Netflix. Next, review your subscription plan. Consider whether you require the premium plan or if a basic or standard plan suffices. Log into your Netflix account and navigate. Look at the available plans and their benefits. Evaluate whether sharing a plan with family or friends is an option. If sharing is possible, outline the terms and conditions to avoid misunderstandings. Next, explore Netflix's library for free trials or promotions. Occasionally, external providers offer trials that can be combined with your Netflix subscription. Make note of any seasonal or limited-time discounts available through partner services. Utilize resources like social media, newsletters, or official Netflix announcements to stay informed about discounts. Consider downgrading your plan if you find you're not using all the available features. Keep track of your viewing habits to better match them with your subscription choice. Another way to save is to take advantage of Netflix's download feature. Download content to watch offline and reduce your data usage. Review your watch history periodically to discover any titles you may have missed. Organize your watch list to prioritize must-see movies and shows. Finally, take advantage of external apps that offer deals and discounts for streaming services. By combining these strategies, you can optimize your Netflix experience while saving money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.